Dreaming of a light, moist coconut cake topped with dreamy frosting? Here's your complete guide to creating the perfect coconut cake from scratch, whether for a celebration or an everyday sweet treat. Ingredients. For the cake, 2½ cups cake flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup unsalted butter, room temperature, 2 cups granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, room temperature. 1 cup unsweetened coconut milk, shake well before using. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon coconut extract, 1½ cups sweetened shredded coconut. For the coconut frosting, 8 ounces cream cheese, softened, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 4 cups powdered sugar, 1/4 cup coconut milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon coconut extract, 2 cups sweetened shredded coconut. For garnish. Preparation. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Prepare 3 8-inch round cake pans by greasing the sides and bottoms, then dusting lightly with flour. You can also line the bottoms with parchment paper for extra insurance against sticking. 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together the cake flour, baking powder, and salt. This ensures the leavening is evenly distributed for a consistent rise in the oven. 3. In a large mixing bowl, beat the butter at medium speed until smooth and creamy. Gradually add the sugar, continuing to beat until the mixture is pale and fluffy, about 3 to 5 minutes. This step is crucial for trapping air in your batter, resulting in a light cake. 4. Add the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed to ensure everything is blended. Stir in the vanilla and coconut extracts, which heighten the delicious coconut aroma. 5. Add the dry ingredients alternately with the coconut milk. Start and end with the flour mixture, and add coconut milk in between each flour addition, in 3 additions of flour and 2 of coconut milk. Mix just until everything is incorporated and the batter looks silky. 6. Using a spatula, gently fold in the shredded coconut. Be careful not to overmix, just blend until the coconut is dispersed throughout the batter. 7. Divide the batter evenly among the prepared cake pans. Level the tops with a spatula so they bake uniformly. 8. Place the pans in the oven. Bake for 25 to 28 minutes or until the tops spring back gently when touched and a toothpick inserted into the center of the cakes comes out clean. Don't overbake, your goal is moist, tender layers. 9. Let the cakes cool in their pans for 10 minutes. Then carefully invert them onto wire racks to finish cooling completely. Coconut frosting. 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the softened cream cheese and butter. Beat until smooth and creamy. 2. Gradually add the powdered sugar, coconut milk, vanilla extract, and coconut extract. Beat for several minutes until the frosting is fluffy and spreadable. If needed, adjust consistency by adding more coconut milk or powdered sugar. Assembly. 1. Place 1 cake layer on your serving plate or cake stand. Spread a generous layer of coconut frosting over the top, going all the way to the edges. 2. Add the second cake layer and repeat with another thick layer of frosting. 3. Stack the third layer on top. Spread the remaining frosting smoothly over the top and sides of the cake, creating a luscious coating. 4. Take the shredded coconut reserved for garnish and press it gently onto the sides and top of the cake. Go for total coverage. A snowy look not only adds flavor and texture, but also makes the cake look irresistible. 5. Refrigerate the finished cake for at least 30 minutes, or up to a few hours if you want the frosting to set firmly and make slicing neat and clean. Serving and storage. Slice the cake with a sharp knife, wiping between slices for perfectly clean layers. Each bite delivers tender, coconut-infused cake and creamy, dreamy frosting, crowned with sweet coconut flakes. Store leftovers covered in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. This coconut cake also freezes beautifully. Wrap individual pieces well and freeze up to 2 months. Tips for success. Room temperature ingredients: butter, eggs, coconut milk, and cream cheese make for a smooth batter and even baking. Use real coconut extract to maximize the coconut flavor. It's worth seeking out. Try to evenly divide your cake batter by weight for uniform layers. For a lighter, fluffier cake, sift the cake flour before measuring.